Okay, a problem we get quite often is air in the system, airlocks, not getting water through the taps. So the first thing to check, if you've got an onboard pump, which is mainly Swift caravans, is that the inlet hose is fully submerged in the water in the barrel. It has got a tendency to curl up and expose the end to the air, and when the pump's running, sucking through air, it gets air in the system, creates airlocks, and it can damage the pump as well. Come to your barrel and just visually check. Yep, that's submerged, so that's not the problem. But if it isn't submerged, you need to make sure it's wedged down right in the bottom and make sure it's fully submerged at all times in the water. If that is submerged, you can then go inside and try something on your tap, which you'll see in a different video. What you can also do as a little adaptation to stop this floating up is your PVC plumber's pipe, the waste pipe that you see coming from bathroom sinks. I'd say about a 12-inch cut-off piece with a slit down it, snap it round the end of the inlet hose, and that keeps it rigid and it's very unlikely to float up in the barrel, and that should make life a lot easier.